Changing the email link to your Uber account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select your profile. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account or Profile. Tap on it to view your account details, including your current email address. Step 4. Update your email. Find the email section and tap on it. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it if prompted. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button and tap it. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your Uber account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.